To schedule a cleaning for a specific time, start by making sure that the HomeBot is in the recharging dock. Press the Schedule button on your remote controller. The display will begin to blink and a voice prompt will ask you to set the reservation time. Your first option will be to choose either a one-time clean or an everyday clean. Use the up or down arrows on your remote controller. A voice prompt will alert you of your current selection. To move on to the next set of options, press the right arrow. Set the time by using the up and down arrows. The flickering display will alert you of which units you are changing. Moving from one unit to the next by using the left and right arrows on your remote controller, you can change the hour, the minutes, and select AM or PM. When you have finished making all of your selections, press the Schedule button on your remote controller to complete the scheduling process.